Pick up the new Black Titanium Scratch-Off game for your chance to be our next $10 million winner. Remember, Black Titanium isn't just a big deal. It's a $10 million big deal. You must be 18 years or older to purchase a lottery ticket. Please play responsibly.
Paid actors illustrating actual clients. Prior results do not guarantee similar outcome. Each case is unique.
When a car hit me, I called Celino and Barnes. They got me $6 million, 24 times the insurance offer.
I'm Steve Barnes. Is your accident case worth more than the insurance company says? Call us. You might be surprised.
After I was rear-ended, insurance offered $100,000. Celino and Barnes got me $800,000.
I'm Ross Celino. What's your case really worth? Call us now and find out.
800-888-8888. And Garden City, Melville.
I'm Billy Bush. This is the all-new Extra. Come along as we take you behind the headlines. And all this week, we are delivering new interviews with Scarlett Johansson, Alec Baldwin, A-Rod, and an exclusive with Jamie Foxx.
We're here to have fun.
Plus, we're on the set of Empire, counting down to the final episode.
And I'm here with Taraji. See you soon.
All week on the all-new Extra.
Weeknights at 7 on Fox 5.
Northwell Health's Military and Veterans Affairs team is proud to serve those who serve us. From healthcare and employment to advocacy and family services, we are here for them. Whether it's a job opportunity for Samantha after returning from service,
this job means everything to me. Just that opportunity alone is an absolute game changer for me.
making sure that military family members like Alyssa are not forgotten.
Northwell meant a new beginning. It meant a chance to rediscover who I could be without my mental illness.
Or ending a series of 30 surgeries to finally give Dustin the one he needed.
I was given a smile that I could take back home to brighten the lives of my family. They gave me my life back. They gave me back.
Northwell is here to take care of those who take care of us. No matter what, no matter why. Northwell Health. Look north.
She was adored. She was despised. She was a legend. Don't cry for me, Argentina. The truth is I never left you. Don't miss Evita at New York City Center. 2 weeks only, November 13th to the 24th. Buy your tickets today at nycitycenter.org.
Staples is more than a place you go to buy a printer. It's where an associate showed me the printer that works best for my business. Like the all-new HP LaserJet Pro 400 printers with advanced wireless and security. And they're easy to set up. I need all of that. Right now at Staples, get up to 2